Tony is practicing his tennis strokes. He is standing 12 meters away from the base of the net. And he wants to know the height at which he must hit the tennis ball so that it just passes over the net and lands 6 meters away from the base of the net. Assuming that the ball is moving in a straight line, we can obtain two right angles. Are these two right triangles similar? By AA similarity criterion, triangle ABE and triangle CDE are similar. What can we say about their corresponding sides? If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are proportional. The lengths of some of the sides of the two triangles are as shown. Can we use these to find the value of h? Substituting the known values in the ratios and solving, we get the value of h as 3 meters. Thus, the height at which the ball must be hit is 3 meters.